Today I want to share with you my Feasto metal grill table. Now this is an easy to fold up compact design that I really like. I needed to add something to my setup that was fire resistant. Now I have a plastic table, but that just didn't cut it for me. So this is what I went with. The only thing that was required for assembly was 2 bolts right in here at the pivot points, and then these 4 bolts, which are actually hangers for utensils. Now the thing simply folds up by grabbing the bar and pushing it down. So release this, push that, like that, and it's folded down completely, just like that. And the nice thing is that same bar makes a convenient handle. Go ahead and unfold that. Lock it into place, just like this. And it's good to go. And then as far as the lower table goes, there's 2 pins that hold it in place. So release one. I'll show you a close-up picture there of that pin. And then now we have 2 working surfaces, the top and the bottom. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab some of the equipment here so that way we can demo how this will work best. So first I have a grill brush. I'll just go ahead and hang that off of one of these little pegs here. Then I have a roll of paper towels that simply slides onto here, and now we have a paper towel dispenser. And then we have the trash bag holder right here. Put the thing through the 2 holes. Much easier to do if there's no trash bag on here. And then I just grabbed a small trash bag that I use for my kitchen. So I don't know, you probably easily put a large one by wrapping it all the way around there, but I'm just gonna put this on there and see how well that'll fit. And that small trash bag from the kitchen fits perfectly fine there. And if you had a larger one, you could fold it over the edge. Now, this is the perfect height. If you're gonna cook something, you could also throw a grill on here or even a small smoker. This right here is strong. I did drop it and put a little bit of a dent in it, but I dropped it pretty good. So I think that that tiny dent is not much, and I'll easily be able to get that out. I just wanted to leave it there so you could see that you do need to use some care, but it still is relatively durable considering how hard I dropped it. So check this out. I'm very happy with what I've got when I purchased this, and I think if you purchase it, you'll be happy too.